Have you ever started your washing machine and suddenly, boom, MCB trips and everything goes dark? If this is happening again and again, don't ignore it. Because today I'll show you 5 hidden reasons why a washing machine trips the MCB and easy fixes you can check before calling a technician. This video is useful for front load, top load, semi-automatic, and even old washing machines. So let's start. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. Its job is simple. Protect your house from short circuit, overload, and electric leakage. When your washing machine has an internal fault, the MCB trips to prevent fire or electric shock. So remember, MCB tripping is a warning, not the main problem. This is the most common reason. Over time, drain pipe leaks, inlet valve leaks, tub seal becomes weak. Water slowly reaches motor, wiring, terminal connectors. When water touches live wires, it causes leakage current and the MCB trips instantly. Easy fix. Open the back panel. Look for watermarks, rust, or moisture. Dry everything properly. Fix or replace the leaking pipe. Never run a washing machine with internal water leakage. If your front-load washing machine trips MCB during heating, this is a big clue. Inside the heater, insulation breaks, element touches the metal body. Result, current leaks to the body. MCB trips immediately. Easy fix. Disconnect the heater wires. Test with a multimeter. If resistance to body is 0, gives heater is faulty. Replace the heating element. This fault usually appears after 3 to 5 years of use. The motor works in wash cycle, rinse, spin cycle. When motor windings get old, insulation becomes weak. Moisture enters the windings. During spin, motor draws high current, gives MCB trips. Signs: burning, smell, loud humming. Machine trips only during spin. Easy fix. Motor insulation test required, rewinding, or replacement needed. Don't keep resetting the MCB. It can burn the motor completely, a very ignored problem. Over time, wire bends near plug, internal wire breaks, live wire touches neutral or earth. This causes short circuit. Easy fix. Check plug top, replace damaged power cord. Never use loose or taped connections. Pro tip: always connect washing machine directly to wall socket.
Avoid extension board.
Sometimes the machine is fine. The problem is outside. Possible issues. Result: MCB trips, even with small leakage. Easy fix. Ensure proper earthing. Use dedicated power line. Replace weak MCB with correct rating. Recommended 1/6 AMCB for washing machine. This tells you where the fault is. Trips immediately gives short circuit. Trips after a few minutes gives heating or motor. Trips during spin gives motor or wiring. Trips only in rainy season gives moisture leakage. Observe the timing, it helps diagnosis a lot. Never bypass MCB, use copper wire instead of fuse. Touch machine body with wet hands. Electric leakage can cause serious shock or fire. So these were the 5 hidden reasons why a washing machine trips the MCB. Many of these problems can be checked at home, but if you're unsure, always call a professional. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for real repair knowledge. Comment your machine problem, I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, see you in the next repair video.